Renault Captur heater resistor location and removal, and in the process we'll also remove the glove box. Please keep in mind Australia is left-hand drive with the steering wheel on the right. This process is not applicable for right-hand drive countries with the steering wheel on the left. If it doesn't look the same, then it probably isn't the same process.
With any glove box, I like to look underneath first to see if there's any clips or covers or screws. With this one, there wasn't anything underneath. To the top, when you open the glove box, there are Torx screws. Go ahead and remove of these Torx screws. I'd recommend using a plastic tool just so you don't damage anything. And underneath there will be another Torx screw. On the side, we'll remove this cover over here on the dash, and then there will be one screw that we will need to remove, and this holds the glove box in place. Not the top screw, it's this bottom one over here. And then again, I recommend using a plastic tool, and then the glove box should slide out quite easily.
With the glove box off, we have access. Normally the heater blower motor will be over here, but on these vehicles it's actually taken from the other side. I am going to make a video of this later on. Now our resistor has 3 plugs and 2 screws. We will first unplug all the plugs on the resistor. This one is a push, and the other 2 have 2 clips on each side, which you'll need to simultaneously pull together and then pull the plugs out. Once you've unplugged the resistor, there are 2 screws, one to the top and one to the bottom. These are, I believe, 7/32 inch. And then go ahead and remove both of these screws. And then all that's left to do once you remove these screws is to just remove the resistor out of place.
Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you do want to support the channel more, you can always send a super thanks by clicking onto the button underneath the video. Any amount, even the bare minimum, is much appreciated.